Hi guys, welcome to Rizal Learning Hub. In this video, we can find the value of this expression, which is 5 minus 5 times 5 minus 5. So how can we find the value of this expression? If you have new in my channel, then kindly subscribe my channel for more amazing videos. Okay, so firstly we can solve. Mostly person can take this mistake that he can solve this 5 minus 5 which is equal to 0 time 5 minus 5 which is equal to 0. So 0 times 0 which is equal to 0. But student, this answer is not correct. Okay, so I can solve these by correct method, which is 5 minus 5. I can write as it 5 minus 5 times 5 which is equal to 25, because multiplication have higher probability than subtraction. This firstly we can solve multiplication minus 5. Okay, so 5 minus 25 which is equal to minus 20. Okay student, minus 5. So minus 20 minus 5 which is equal to minus 25. Minus 25. Student, this is our final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment. I will reply your question, and please do not forget subscribe and bell icon, because if you have subscribe and bell icon, then my video notification is give to you. Thanks a lot again. Allah Hafiz.